Howdy everyone, welcome back to Sawmill. Today we're going to be unloading the kiln. We dried some red pine 1x8s and 1x6s. These were cut 3 months ago, so they air dried for about 2.5 months. And then they were for about, it was 6.5 days total. We had to set the pitch and get them completely dried out. Right here we got some Eastern Red Cedar mantle pieces. I just leave these in here because it's easier to dry them out on the side. And then right here we got a couple mantle pieces. I was checking the moisture, so that's why they're not stacked straight right now. But and then these white pine 1x12 or 3x12 by 8 foot. These are dried for some shelving, so those two there I'm gonna have to resaw because they're 4x12, so I'll have to take off an inch. But we're gonna unload this here today. If you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. This video might have a little bit of farmer content in it because one of our cows gets out while I'm trying to load the kiln now. Take about 8 days in the kiln. It's a little muddy out, but I have to get the kiln loaded because I don't have much time in between kiln loads and orders. So as soon as I unload it, I gotta reload it and get it ready for the next order. And right here, I just started to notice something right across the driveway. And it turns out there's a cow out, and he's just wandering around trying to figure out where he wants to go. It's because my brother was getting the barnyard ready to put some rounds up cows, but the cow decided to sneak out and clean it up. So I got to set this down and close the gate so that I can hopefully chase the cow in around the barn, get around the backside quick. So I jump out here and I have to run around the building to see if I can head the cow off and run him right back in the barnyard before he decides that it's better off down the road or in the yard eating grass. I don't know, whatever it wanted to do. So we just chase it in. She's all excited because she's hasn't been out of the barnyard in 3 months because the fields have been too muddy, so we keep them in the barnyard to keep their feet dry. So it ran around the trailer, and now it's England back in the barnyard. Lumber pile worked, kept her running in the barnyard straight, and she's in but not in yet. Aiden's gonna open up the gate up there by the barnyard, and I'm just gonna grab the first gate and swing it shut, so that way she can't run out, and she should be back in quick as that. So at least we were all right there watching. Otherwise, normally they'll start running down the road and you won't even know they're out for 30 minutes, and then they're a real pain in the butt to get back in because they want to keep running around and keep eating the grass that's growing up, even though there's snow on the ground. So luckily we avoided that situation. So now we're just going to get back to loading the kiln. We had a little bit of snow, even though it was 80 degrees last week. We got back to the snow again. So I'm just scraping off the snow because there's no point drying all that and pulling all that moisture out. So we just scrape it off quick, and we'll work on getting that in the kiln and pulling out the rest of that moisture that we got on the rain and the snowstorms. I'm just going to let you guys watch the rest of the video. I hope you enjoy watching, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and let's keep going together.